Welcome back, guys. We are back at it like crack addicts. It's been a while since I've been on here. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing a Dssr install on a selector rod joint. So even though it shifts pretty solidly, there's still a little bit of movement, and that's coming from the play of the selector rod. The Dssr should help with that too. So all these were from Garagistic, Dssr, the clips for it, the selector rod, everything was from there. So if you guys want to order it, make sure you get the right one for your vehicle's transmission and the model, because these are not all the same unless it's the adjustable. So yeah, make sure you get the right one before you get the wrong one and you spend $100 on the wrong thing. I actually got this from Raul, so shout out to Raul for coming in clutch and letting me keep this. So these clips are gonna get replaced, this rod's gonna get replaced, and that's gonna get replaced. How much play it has. Should not have that much play. New compared to old. I can't wait to feel this thing. It's gonna feel so good. I mean, right now, you know, a little limp dick, but fix that in a second. So I just got out the old one. This is a new one. They're not really the same size, so I don't know if that's gonna affect it or not, but we're gonna try to install it regardless. This had absolutely nothing in there compared to this one that has a little rubber piece. Yeah. All right, we're gonna try it out and see what happens. All right, so I don't know how well you can really see right now, but we are headed to GR to help out Steven and to go look. The Dssr is slightly too thick on one side where the aftermarket shifter goes. The tolerance isn't correct, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna go figure that out right now. I'm gonna go try to fix it real quick at the shop. So yeah, we're headed there right now.
Bro, what you mean? This shit's above the subframe. That shit ain't going nowhere.
Hi vlog. We outside fixing Steven's car.
Literally.
You already know the vibes.
There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just trying to pass the mission.
Broken car, bro.
There's nothing wrong with it.
It's like we live in Cali out here, bro.
That's actually wild. Steven, explain what happened.
This is so sad. I'm actually so depressed right now. So pretty much I had a tune and I was catless. I'm on K-Tuner and I went to go get my emissions, and technically I didn't fail, but it said that I didn't pass the readiness check because technically my car would never be ready because the monitors are all off, and that like just comes with the tune, and that's all base map tunes on K-Tuner. So what I had to do was flash it back to stock, and then I put a defiler in the joint and it didn't work.
So it didn't work.
Found it, boys.
Nice.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Nice.
This is the most clutch shit. This is the first nut I ever touched. Oh.
The first one.
Didn't you break the stud on the first time you did it?
Yeah, so
That's wild. So this is kind of like, I don't know about Steven, but I'd have PTSD if I had to do something like this again.
so pretty much I was changing this out for the first time and I broke the stud on the OEM turbo, and I was like, all right, fuck it, I got a 271 turbo instead. So now I have a bigger turbo.
It died? Oh. Sheesh.
So that's the story of my life.
Alright, Steve, what were you saying? For sale?
If anybody wants this, I will be letting it go for the low. Not as low as you think, but it will be low.
This is me 30 minutes before drinking.
6 hours later.
Good morning, guys. So we just got our Dunkin'. Oh, there's nothing better than coffee in the morning. Comment down what you guys get when you guys go to Dunkin', or if you guys prefer Starbucks over Dunkin', I guess, or you guys just eat at home. But we're gonna start working on the car today again. Last night I stayed out a little bit, but we got the Dssr shaved down a little bit. I'm gonna try to pop in that clip. That's literally the only thing I'm struggling right now with, the clip. Once I get that in, it should be pretty straightforward. All right. So I was able to get it in. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the hardest part of this whole deal. But I think it's its place. Clip is in, everything's in. The way I did it was I got one pick on this side, pushed it over, got another pick, pushed it in, and then I once it like went over these little lips or these grooves or the bearings, I slid it in. So that's in. Took me a little bit to get it in, but it's in now. I'm gonna install a Dssr. Show you guys the difference. So I adjusted the short shifter too, but it is super notchy. So now being under the car, you can actually see what I was talking about. That is the selector rod joint right there where I'm flashing my light. And the Dssr, my short shifter, I adjusted it, but we're gonna put everything back together, hopefully take it on test drive. Listen.
That's scary as fuck. Wait, is this closed all the way?
Yeah, it should be. Good check engine light. Alright guys, so we're gonna take it on the first test drive. One of my best friends, Anna, came. So she's then coming along for this little test drive. As you guys can see, it feels good. Damn, she got a fat ass. Yeah, fourth is a little weird, but I don't know.
What the fuck was that?
The GoPro mount.
Anytime this car makes a noise, I'm like,
Yeah, I know. That's how I am
We're gonna make it
too.
home.
That's how I am, but I got to the point where it is what it is.
Bye, bitches.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving if you guys are watching this video on Thanksgiving. Some mean ass people.